Let me see there. There, yeah. Oh, next week. Okay.
You're back.
Who are you, Shannon?
Say body blue blue. She's body blue blue.
Who are you, Jennifer?
Nancy Kerrigan. A handstand.
Let's see you flip.
He did a flip. I'm Nancy Kerrigan. Yo, it's a woman. Can you believe I could do that? Just no. I flipped into the turn. Hey, Jerry, can you get another crown? There's another crown there. I'm Nancy Kerrigan, and I like to say that I won the game. I'm Nancy Kerrigan.
Who are you, Alan? Hi. Okay, come in. I'll be right there.
I won the triumph of the game.
Hey, Alan.
Hi.
Who are you holding?
Thor.
Yeah, you're. Are you? Is he your brother?
Yes. It's time to watch Nancy Kerrigan. Nancy Kerrigan, Nancy Kerrigan, my brothers, Nancy Kerrigan, that I am too. Nancy Kerrigan, oh Nancy Kerrigan, so Nancy Kerrigan.
Let's look for it.
It's not in here. Thor's hands are cold.
Hi, beautiful.
Let's go feed Thor.
Thor's hands
Okay.
are cold.
Good Thor.
Thor's hands are cold, Daddy.
You're cold. Good Thor. Good.
Oh, Nancy Kerrigan. Oh, Nancy Kerrigan.
Oh, yeah.
Have my Nancy
Hi,
Kerrigan.
Dor. Hi.
Can I have my
Hi.
Nancy Kerrigan? Daddy, Daddy, can I have my Nancy Kerrigan?
Yes, where is it,
Nancy
Jennifer?
Kerrigan. Nancy Kerrigan. Say it out loud, Shannon. Jesus said on say it out loud. The truth and the life. Look at John. John 14:6. John 14:6. What? And you want to say something?
On the right. Sing that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I taught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There wasn't. Why did God send they? 'Cause he ripped my fingers too. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on the white. Yelly. I'm gonna sing it. Yelly, yelly. That's the book for me. I stand alone on the word of God to be I-E-L-E. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family. I love you, you
some more.
Yeah, that's the book for me. I stand the word in the word of God. B-I-B-L-E. Now I'm singing. It's my turn to sing. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack that he whacked him a dog a bone. This old man came home and home. This old man, he played too.
Okay.
Get in. Middle school. Might want to get the Boyd sign. With his arm hanging out.
Okay, Bison. Thank you so much. Hey, Tally Brown. Hi. Beautiful horse. Howie, big strong Howie. Yeah, how's he doing today? Hi, Howie. Hi. Hi. Hey, sweet boy. Sweet boy. Hmm? Good. Good morning. Feeling good. Philodendron.